What if your backyard didn't need to be bigger, it just needed to be designed smarter? The truth is, some of the most beautiful outdoor spaces aren't the largest, they simply use a few clever design principles that completely change how the space feels. In today's video, I'll show you 7 simple small backyard ideas that can make your backyard feel bigger, more functional, and far more inviting, without a major renovation or a huge budget. Welcome to Garden Dream Project. If you're looking for practical small backyard ideas, inspiring backyard design, and realistic landscaping tips that you can actually apply, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 7 proven design strategies used by landscape professionals to maximize small outdoor spaces. From creating distinct outdoor zones and adding visual depth to choosing the right furniture and improving your backyard layout, each idea is simple, achievable, and designed to help you make every square foot count. Let's get started. One of the biggest secrets to making a small backyard feel bigger is creating multiple outdoor destinations instead of treating the entire yard as one open space. Even the most compact backyard can feel surprisingly spacious when it's divided into purposeful areas like a cozy outdoor lounge, a dining patio, and a welcoming fire pit. These clearly defined spaces create visual separation, improve traffic flow, and transform your outdoor living space into a series of inviting outdoor rooms. Instead of seeing one small yard, your eyes naturally travel from one destination to the next, making the entire backyard landscape design feel larger, more functional, and professionally planned. Creating separate outdoor zones makes your backyard more enjoyable every day. Guests naturally spread out between seating areas instead of gathering in one crowded spot, making entertaining feel effortless. Each zone has a purpose, whether it's relaxing, dining, or socializing around the fire pit. Best of all, this is one of the smartest budget backyard makeover ideas because it focuses on thoughtful planning instead of expensive renovations. Start by identifying 3 destinations before buying any furniture. Connect them with matching pavers, gravel paths, or stepping stones, and repeat similar materials, plants, and colors throughout the yard. This creates visual continuity, helping your small backyard landscaping look clean, organized, and much larger than its actual size. When every surface in your backyard sits at the same height, the entire space feels flat and smaller than it really is. Adding different elevations through raised planter beds, retaining walls, terraced gardens, or elevated seating instantly creates depth and dimension. Layered landscaping encourages your eyes to explore every corner of the garden, making your small backyard design appear more spacious while adding a custom, high-end look that feels straight out of a landscape magazine. Raised planters improve both beauty and function. They provide better drainage, create natural garden borders, and allow more flowers, ornamental grasses, and evergreen shrubs to thrive in limited space. Layering plants also creates year-round interest while making your backyard garden feel lush, vibrant, and professionally designed without requiring a larger footprint. Think in 3 layers: low-growing ground covers, medium flowering shrubs, and taller ornamental grasses or compact trees. Mixing natural stone, wood, or steel edging gives your garden landscape design texture and sophistication while keeping maintenance simple and affordable. Straight lines reveal everything at once, making a backyard feel smaller. Curved pathways, however, invite curiosity by gently guiding the eye through the landscape. As the path winds around planting beds and garden features, it creates the illusion that there's more to discover beyond each curve. This simple design principle is one of the most effective ways to make a small backyard feel bigger while adding elegance and character to your outdoor space. Curved pathways improve movement, soften hard landscaping, and create a more relaxing garden atmosphere. They naturally connect different outdoor zones while encouraging guests to explore every part of the yard. Combined with colorful perennial flowers and layered greenery, curved walkways create an unforgettable backyard landscaping experience. Avoid sharp turns. Instead, design gentle curves using natural stone pavers, decorative gravel, or stepping stones. Add ornamental grasses and flowering plants along the edges to blur the path's boundaries and create even more visual depth. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Adding height with trellises, climbing vines, vertical gardens, decorative screens, and slim ornamental trees draws attention upward instead of outward. This design strategy makes ceilings feel higher, fences disappear behind lush greenery, and the entire compact backyard feel more open and expansive without taking away valuable living space. Vertical landscaping increases planting space while maintaining a clean footprint. It creates natural privacy, softens fences, improves curb appeal, and introduces beautiful textures that make your backyard garden design feel richer and more luxurious. It's also one of the easiest upgrades for homeowners working with a modest landscaping budget. Mix climbing roses, jasmine, clematis, or ivy with wooden trellises and modern planters. Include hanging baskets and wall-mounted planters to maximize every square foot while creating a layered, magazine-worthy outdoor living space. Too many different paving materials, colors, or finishes can visually divide a backyard into smaller pieces. Using one continuous flooring material throughout the patio, pathways, and seating areas creates a seamless flow that makes your small backyard appear much larger. Consistency brings balance, simplicity, and elegance while giving the landscape a polished designer look. Continuous materials reduce visual clutter, simplify maintenance, and create harmony between different outdoor zones. Whether you choose porcelain pavers, natural stone, or concrete, repeating the same material throughout the outdoor living area helps unify the entire design and makes the space feel open and cohesive. Choose one primary hardscape material and limit accent materials to decorative borders or planting beds. Matching colors between paving, furniture, fencing, and planters creates a premium landscape design without increasing construction costs. Oversized furniture can quickly overwhelm a small backyard, making every walkway feel narrow and crowded. Selecting furniture that matches the scale of your outdoor space creates better balance, improves circulation, and allows the landscape itself to become the focal point. Smart furniture choices help maximize comfort without sacrificing openness. Properly scaled furniture creates flexible entertaining spaces, keeps pathways clear, and makes every outdoor zone feel inviting. Lightweight chairs, slim dining tables, modular seating, and compact outdoor sofas allow homeowners to enjoy comfortable outdoor living without overwhelming the landscape. Leave at least 2 to 3 feet of walking space around furniture. Whenever possible, choose multifunctional pieces like storage benches, nesting tables, or modular seating to maximize functionality in your small backyard makeover. Nothing makes a backyard feel smaller than unnecessary clutter. Too many decorations, mismatched furniture, scattered planters, and excessive accessories create visual noise that shrinks the perceived size of the space. A clean, organized layout with intentional landscaping allows every feature to stand out while making the entire backyard landscape feel calm, spacious, and inviting. Simplifying your backyard improves maintenance, enhances relaxation, and creates a timeless design that never feels overcrowded. Open sightlines allow beautiful plants, architectural features, and outdoor living areas to become the stars of the landscape, making even a modest yard feel elegant and luxurious. Follow the less is more approach. Select a few statement planters, maintain clean lawn edges, hide storage whenever possible, and keep decorations intentional. The result is a brighter, cleaner, and more spacious backyard design that's easier to maintain and far more enjoyable to use every day. If you enjoyed these small backyard ideas, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more backyard design inspiration every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.